Good morning students, myself Shraddha Agrawal from Holy Hearts Educational Academy. Today I came with class 11th topic that is solution and expressing their concentration. In this topic we are going to learn about the solution and what are the methods, how can I calculate concentration of a solution. So what is a solution? It is a mixture of solute and solvent. In a binary solution, when a substance is present in less amount is known to be solute, and when the substance is present in large amount is known to be solvent. And in a solution I am going to calculate the concentration. There are various ways to calculate the concentration of a solution, and some of the ways are written here. The first is known to be strength. So what is strength? Strength is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution in liters. So what is strength? Strength is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution in liters, and its unit come to be gram per liter. So if I am going to write down a question, if 4 gram of solute is dissolved in 250 ml of the solution, find its strength. So strength comes to be formula mass of solute. Mass of solute is given to us, that is 4 gram. And volume of solution in liter. As volume of water is given here 250 ml, I have to convert it into liter. It will be 250 divided by 1000, and the answer come to be 16 gram per liter. Similarly, the next method to calculate the concentration is mass percentage. Mass percentage means mass of component A upon total mass into 100, or mass of component B upon total mass into 100. If I have to calculate the mass percentage of A, it will be WA upon WA plus B, and if I have to calculate mass percentage of B, it will be WB upon WA plus WB into 100. So in mass percentage, we are going to calculate the mass percentage of solute with respect to the mass percentage of the solution. Next is volume percentage. Same as mass percentage, just in place of mass I have considered here volume. So if I have to calculate volume percentage of A, it comes to be VA upon VA plus VB into 100. That means volume of component A upon total volume into 100. Similarly, if I have to calculate volume percentage of B, you can see it VB upon VA plus VB into 100. Very often you have seen in the medicines as well as in syrup bottle, it is written V by V, or it is written W by V, or it has written W by W. This represent the percentage of solute as well as the solvent. V by V, that means volume percentage. W by V means mass per volume percentage. W by W means mass percentage. Now the next will be parts per million. It is represented by ppm. So ppm can be calculated mass of component A upon mass of the solution into 10 to the power 6. We are going to take the ppm unit when the amount of solvent is very large. Then only we are going to calculate anything in its unit, that is going to be ppm. You have oftenly read in the newspaper, whenever you are going to read about the article like pollution and all these things, the unit come to be ppm. After then, the next will be molarity. Molarity represented by capital M, and it is gram moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. So how can you calculate moles? Moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Already I have told you in my last video. So moles is equal to given mass of solute upon molar mass of the solute. Given mass is represented by the sign WB, and molar mass is represented by the sign MB. So if I am going to write down the mathematical equation, capital M, that is molarity, is equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into volume of solution in milliliter. If volume of solution is given us in milliliter, I have to convert it into the liter, and if it is given in liter, then no problem, we can use it directly. For example, this question, find the molarity of a solution containing 4.9 gram of sulfuric acid dissolved in 250 ml of the solution. Here the volume is given in 250 ml. So I have to convert it into the liter. The first step is to calculate the molar mass of the sulfuric acid. So molar mass of the sulfuric acid, 1 into 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4. Why 4? Because 4 atom of oxygen is there in the formula. It comes to be 98 gram per mole. Now formula capital M, that is molarity, is equal to WB, that is 4.9. What is this WB? That is the given mass of the solute into 1000 upon molar mass of the solute, that come to be 98 into 250, and the answer come to be 0.2 mole per liter, or the unit can be written as capital M also. Now, molarity of a solution on mixing two solution containing the same solute, then it will be M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M3, under bracket it will be V1 plus V2. After then the next unit come to be, that is molality, which is represented by small m. So molality is gram moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Here what is the difference in between molality as well as molarity? In molarity I have considered volume of solution, whereas in molality I have considered mass of solvent. Again the formula small m come to be Wb into 1000 upon Mb into mass of solvent in kg, and its unit will be mole per kg or small m. If I am going to take the standard method to calculate the concentration of the solution between molality as well as molarity, always molality is considered to take out the concentration of a solution, because it depends upon the mass of solvent, and you know very well that mass does not depends upon the temperature. So by change in temperature the concentration of solution does not change. So among molality and molarity, molality is the better scale to express the concentration of the solution. Now we are going to solve one numerical problem related to this. Calculate the molality of a solution containing 5.3 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate in 200 gram of water. Sodium carbonate, that is written anhydrous. What do you mean by anhydrous? That means a salt in which water molecule is not present. So molar mass of sodium carbonate come to be 106 gram per mole. So small m, that is molality, come to be 5.3 into 1000 upon 106 into 200. It come to be 0.25 mole per kg, or I can write it as small m also. This is about the molality. Now students, in this video I have took some of the topic like molality, percentage strength as well as strength. Now you are going to make a notes of this topic as well as solve NCERT question related to this topic. Thank you.